DevOps, well, you ask the next question to different people and you get a lot of different answers. First, it's a portmanteau of development and operations. Really refers to a shift in the way that companies are thinking about how they approach software development. And it's intended to kind of break down the traditional silos that have existed between a development team and an operations team. Historically, a development team would build some software and kind of throw it over the metaphorical wall to the ops team, and then the ops team would just have to run it, and with varying degrees of input from the developers, and then vice versa. The ops team, if they had problems with the software, they couldn't go in and fix it. They could just they'd have to throw it back to the developers and say, hey, we got a problem. So that just resulted in it's clearly an inefficient way to do things. A lot of finger pointing, a lot of back and forth between the teams. So DevOps is an attempt to break down those walls, to integrate development and operations teams, and give them both access to each other's worlds. So ops can then contribute to the code base, developers understand the platform that their code is running on, and then there's increased transparency just across the board for not only between the teams, but also upwards in the organization up to management.